Hey everybody, it's Neil, and look at what I have here. I have a Apple Watch charger. Good thing I have an Apple Watch. So we're gonna give this thing a try here. It's a magnetic charging cable. You can kind of see there's the information there. Got a nice lifetime warranty it has on it. So let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. Okay. And this one here should be USB, not USB-C. So I have my USB battery pack to give this thing a shot with. So let's open it up and see how it is. It says magnetic charging cable, 1 meter. So this is what it looks like inside there. And there is a little paper instructions, or these aren't really instructions, certificate compliance papers. And then here is what it looks like. So let's give this thing a little try. So why not? Let's give it a shot. We'll plug it in here to my battery pack, which has 50% power. And we'll try my watch on it and see what happens. I have the Apple Watch Ultra here. So let's see. It magnetizes on pretty good. It can hang from it, and there we go, it's charging. So I'm gonna say this is pretty cool. So it seems to work, and my watch is pretty well charged even at the end of the day, even though I exercised and did a lot of stuff, but pretty cool. So nice little charger. It's got a nice little round thing there. It actually seems a little smaller of a thing than some of the others, but the magnet's really good, stays on good, and it's even covered with the little plastic thing too. So I take that off, and there we go. So I like it. So this is it, the magnetic charger, and thumbs up from me on this. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews later.